Okay, go. Sorry.
Okay. I'm Chris Ramirez, and I am doing the Evolutionary Science Lesson 2, Part 2, questions 11 and 12. First off, 11 is the Wallace and Waggoner. It's one of our Wallace and Waggoner. Their time period was between 1850 and 1915. They tried to figure out how animals spread across the world and why they became different species in different places. Wallace looked into the idea that there could have been one supercontinent at one point in time, and that's how the connections were made between different species on different continents. Of course, they had no evidence of tectonic plates at that time, so they couldn't use that theory to explain why exactly that supercontinent might have moved and created the continents that they were on then. The second question that I have was question 12 of part 2. That included Thomas Hunt Morgan, and that was during 1920. He came up with the ideas that led to the discovery of genes and DNA, and he kind of rode off of the ideas of Mendel and his discoveries, and built his own ideas of the mutations that occurred and discussed the new species that were created. He's also credited with the concept of genetics as a whole and helped us to better our research in the future. And that is it for part 2, questions 11 and 12.
Awesome.